Okay, so here is an example of identifying different relationships. So basically we're going to think of each of these segments, like for example SR here. We're going to imagine that this is a line and it goes off into infinity in both directions. So that's an important piece for this exercise, and you're going to have one similar to your homework as well. So they're going to ask us, so what do we want to do? Here we go. We want parallel line to TW. So I always like to highlight my line TW, and contains V. So I know it needs to contain V. Well, in order for it to be parallel, I'm going to go to this other side here, and it's going to be UV. Make sure that you have the correct notation and write a line there. Perpendicular to line TW and contains V. So I'm going to highlight TW again. Perpendicular would mean that it's going to come and intersect here, because since this is a square, that's a right angle. So that's going to be VW. Skew to line TW and contains V. So if I'm looking for something that's skew, it means that they never touch. So it has to contain V and it has to be skewed to TW. Well, I'm just going to do RV. I know that those will never touch. Name the plane that contains V and appears to be parallel to TPQ. So I like to find TPQ. So TPQ is this far side over here. So it has to contain V, and it needs to appear to be parallel. Well, it looks like it's going to be this face right here. So I know it has to contain V, so SRV is going to be my plane.